Hello students, we have completed in miscellaneous exercise of chapter 15 statistics till question number 6. Today we will begin with 7th one. Now the information given over here is n is 100, so total there are 100 observation. Mean is, that is x bar is 20, standard deviation sigma is 3. Now there are total 3 incorrect observations. They are 21, 21 and 18. These observations are incorrect. And we have to calculate new mean and new standard deviation by omitting these observations. So the corrections that we have to do will be in summation xi, then summation xi square. Once these two areas are being corrected, then mean and variance and standard deviation for the corrected data or observations can be calculated. So this example begins like this. We'll consider old mean, that is x bar is equal to 20. Then we have over here, to correct summation xi, we'll make use of the formula of x bar, that is equal to summation xi upon n, keeping 20 as x bar value, n is 100. So summation xi we get it as 2000 by multiplying 20 into 100. Now for the corrected mean, we have to correct the summation xi. So summation xi 2000 is taken up. We'll subtract all the wrong datas or incorrect observations we have to omit, so we will subtract them. 21, 21 and 18 are subtracted. Answer we got it as 1940. Now out of 100 observations, 3 observations are subtracted. So n will also change and 100 minus 3 will make it 97. So the correct mean over here, by taking summation xi as 1940 and n as 97, will be x bar is equal to 20. Now we will go for correcting the variance part so that a correct standard deviation is calculated. For that we have taken old standard deviation sigma given is 3. So its variance sigma square will become 9. Now the formula for sigma square is summation xi square upon n minus x bar square. So keeping all the values, sigma square as 9, n as 100, x bar value as 20, and calculating it, we get 9 is equal to summation xi square upon 100 minus 400. Taking minus 400 the other side, we get plus. So summation x square upon 100 will get it as 409. 100 is shifted the other side, so it will be multiplied. Summation xi square value becomes 40900. Now here we have already corrected the mean. Now the point remains is correcting summation xi square. So from the variance formula, we have separated summation xi square. Now to correct this summation xi square, we have to subtract the squares of the incorrect observations. Now incorrect observation is 21, its square is 441, again 21 whose square is 441, and 18 the square is 324. As here xi is square, so we have to subtract their squares. So after subtracting it, the correct summation xi square is 3964694. After we have corrected the summation xi square value. Now we will go for correct variance. Taking up this formula, keeping everything correct. Summation xi square, we have to take it as 39694, and as 3 observations are omitted means removed from 100, n will become here as 97 minus the correct x bar, we have to take it, so it becomes x bar square as 20 square. Calculating it, we'll get the value of variance sigma square as 9.22. Once sigma square is calculated, standard deviation is root of 9.22 and the correct standard deviation becomes 3.04.